Welcome to Launch 360. This is a short video to talk about the top 5 techniques for using a 360 leadership assessment in how to improve your team's dynamics. A 360 leadership assessment can be a really powerful tool, but how many times do you get the report and you just don't understand what it's telling you? In this presentation, we're going to cover how we collect the data, categorizing the feedback, identifying any themes or patterns that you see on the report, comparing your self assessment with how others see you, and then thinking about how to use this as a development plan. We're also going to talk about setting up follow up mechanisms. You have to remember in a 360-degree feedback assessment, you're getting feedback from the person that was evaluated, as well as anybody who reports to them, people that are peers to them, or people that are senior to them. It's important to understand how others see that individual's strengths and weaknesses, and it's going to help them identify any blind spots to help you create a development plan for this individual, which is going to lead to a more harmonious and productive team. Solid communication skills are the hallmark of any great leader. Our 360-degree evaluation helps you understand somebody's positive and negative communication traits. This assessment is going to help you pinpoint any communication issues. From there, you're going to talk about active listening and clear expression of ideas. We're going to talk about understanding the intent of what somebody is saying versus words, and also looking at body language as a form of communication. Once somebody understands their strengths and weaknesses in this area, you're going to want them to continually to assess and adjust their communication strategies to be appropriate for the person that they're working with. Having a team that trusts one another is imperative to having success in your business. One of the areas of trust that people don't like to do is to address trust issues openly in team discussions. You really want to promote transparency in decision making and problem solving. Even if the idea is not a popular one, it's important for that team leader to be transparent in why those decisions are being made and the work that needs to follow. Another great way to use a 360 assessment is to give this assessment on all the senior leaders within an organization. You then can analyze that feedback to understand any collaboration dynamics. This is a great way to promote cross functional collaboration and to establish clear roles and responsibilities in order to avoid overlap and confusion. That confusion will come out in the verbatims or in the rating scores in a 360-degree assessment. A 360-degree leadership assessment should not be done in a vacuum. It should be part of an overall leadership development program. As such, we really encourage leaders to seek continuous feedback and to have self reflection. Starting with the 360 review is going to pinpoint any blind spots, and that's going to be the hallmark of the areas that a leader should focus on. You want to celebrate achievements and motivate people to go forward, but you want to make sure that you're developing leadership skills to ensure that the whole team has capable leaders who can navigate changes effectively. Launch 360 is an online 360-degree leadership assessment tool designed to help individuals and organizations gain deeper insight into leadership effectiveness, emotional intelligence, and development opportunities. Instead of just evaluating someone based on a single manager's opinion, a 360-degree assessment collects feedback from multiple perspectives, such as peers, direct reports, supervisors, even clients if you want to. It creates a well rounded view of how someone shows up as a leader. 360 assessments can help build self awareness. It helps leaders understand how others perceive them, which is often very different from how they perceive themselves. Certainly helps develop emotional intelligence. Launch 360 is focused on EQ related leadership traits like empathy, communication, adaptability, and conflict management. This is an easy to use platform that's intuitive, customizable, and designed with a clean user experience. In fact, you can launch a full assessment process in just a few clicks. The reports are easy to read and designed to fuel real growth, not just data for data's sake. Many users use it as part of a coaching or development plan. Remember, you're in control. Unlike many corporate tools, Launch 360 was built for consultants, professionals, and internal coaches. It's not to lock you into a big system. If you're trying to help someone become a better leader, or you're looking to be a better leader yourself, Launch 360 gives you the clarity and roadmap to move forward. Contact us.